I got something for you Premiere Pro newbies out there, and spoiler alert, I got something for the pros as well.
This is your quick tip.
It has come to my attention that the folks who are learning Premiere right now, new to Premiere, do not know Match Frame. I'm going to show you Match Frame. You're going to love it. It's going to make your lives 7% better, and that is a hella conservative estimate. And if you are a pro and you've been using Premiere Pro forever and a Wednesday, I got something that might be new to you, and that is reverse match frame. What? That's right, we're gonna Missy Elliott this stuff, and we're gonna set it down, flip it, and reverse it. Here we go. We've got a purple clip right here, and I'm scrolling through this clip, and I'm like, oh yeah, this part right here, I know there's something right after it that I want to use. Instead of going all the way to my bin, double-clicking on the clip in the bin, loading it up here, and then finding that exact point in this clip, you can just match frame it. So if you're new to Premiere Pro, this Premiere Pro tutorial is going to show you an easy way. Here you go. It's already mapped to your keyboard on the F key. F for frame. We're talking match frame. So here I am on this purple clip. My playhead's on this frame exactly. I'm going to hit the F key on my keyboard, F for frame, and boom, it calls up this exact frame and it puts an in right at that exact point here. Now, if I want to reuse this somewhere else, I can go ahead and just start cutting it in. But I use match frame a lot because I know there's something else on this clip I don't want to use. So I go down here and I go, here it is, here it is, here it is, right there where the dogs lift that up. Then I can hit my eye and I go. I don't have to go all the way to the bin, find the clip, double click on the clip, and then go here. I can just put my playhead anywhere. Boom, I'm right here on Denny. Hit F. There he is, the exact frame. Look at his hands, look at his hands. That's the exact frame right there. It's found it for me. Now I can scroll through and find the thing that I wanted to find in this clip, or if I really did want this exact frame, now I've got that exact frame with an in point right on it. Boom, right there. Match frame, that's it. That's the whole deal, folks. Match frame. Why aren't you folks using it? If you're new, put your playhead right here. And I go, okay, right when she goes in this fridge, I want to call that frame up, hit F, there you go, match frame. That's it. It's that simple. Now, if you've been using match frame forever because you're a pro editor and you already know this program really well, you may not have known about reverse match frame. Let's say, for the sake of argument, I've got this clip right here, and I'm down here in my edit, and I was going to edit this clip in here, and I'm like, wait a second, isn't this already in my timeline? I think I already have this somewhere in my timeline. You can use reverse match frame. People who are coming from Avid already know that there is match frame and reverse match frame, and they're using it because you use it in Avid, and it's a thing in Avid, and you pull it out of the command palette. Well, in Premiere, it's on, I believe, Shift R. So if I go Shift R, this is the default. You can map it somewhere else on your keyboard. If I do Shift R, boom, there it is. It pulls my playhead right to the place in my sequence that already has this clip in it. And I can go, okay, I can't use this B-roll again. It's already in my timeline. I thought it was. If I go to a place that's not in the timeline and I hit Shift R, it's just not going to find anything. Nothing's going to move. Then I know, okay, I haven't used this part of the dogs. I can put my in point here and edit it in. Reverse match frame will tell you if your playhead moves, it's already in your timeline. If your playhead doesn't move, free to use, hasn't been used yet, right? So here's an example. Right here, Barack. This is my cousin Barack. I can hit F for match frame, pull it up right there. But here's my question. Now I pull it up right there and I'm like, okay, great. And I'm good, carry on my editing. Now I'm over here and I'm like, did I use this already? Did I already edit this in? Did I have a senior moment and forget? So I can do Shift R, boom, and it goes to that instance. But what if I have this in twice? What if this was a repeating thing where maybe it's a music video and I'm repeating an image several times? If I hit Shift R again, it will move my playhead to the next instance of it. So if I have used something several times, let's take this, I'm gonna go Command C to copy, I'm gonna go Command V to paste, Shift V to insert paste, Shift V to insert paste. And now I've got this same clip here 4 times. So I can do Shift R and it finds it, Shift R and it finds the next instance, Shift R, here's the next instance, Shift R, here's that first instance. It will just go from instance to instance anytime it's in the timeline. So if you know you've used something more than once and you want to find every instance it is in your current timeline, Shift R for reverse match frame is your way to go. Or of course, you can program it onto a button on your keyboard yourself where it makes more sense. If you are learning Premiere and you want to do a deeper dive with me, I've left a link below to my 3-hour deep dive, and we can one-on-one go over some stuff that may be vexing you on Premiere. If you're just learning editing and you're looking for a career in editing, I've left a link below also for the 6-month mentorship program. Check that out as well. There you go, folks. That's the whole ball of wax. Match frame, reverse match frame. Use them, love them. I know you will. I'm going to make your life 7% better. And that is a conservative estimate.